Check out this thing. You think it's a balloon, right? I think it's a little friendly balloon. No, that's a Portuguese man-o-war. That thing will mess you up. Those little tentacles right there will sting you so bad. Woo! These will float up on the beach and people will think they're little balloons. Little kids will go to grab them and they'll get their hands on them. And even when they're dead, they will sting you and pop you so dirty. So I'm not gonna touch it because I don't want any of that trouble. But yeah, they're gnarly.